Two Blonde Chicks, back at it again
with the random videos.
So today we are doing a challenge.
The 3-step door knock challenge, inspired by yours truly.
Hey Menando, Hamish, Andy, love your stuff.
Love your stuff, mate. So the rules of the game are simple.
You grab your mate,
Exhibit A,
blindfold them,
Exhibit B,
walk them up to a doorstep, ring the doorbell, take their blindfold off, you piss bolt out of there, and they've got 3 steps to hide.
and the person that gets the most strikes for getting caught at the end of it all has to do the ultimate dare. So let's get this show on the road, shall we?
Let's do it guys, come
Woo!
on.
Woo! Woo!
Let's do it.
Woo! Woo!
Georgia, you're up first.
Sick! Let's do this!
I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down.
Why do I always have to go first?
Haha, because you always have to do everything first. Alright, just
Bullshit.
Can you see anything?
No.
I don't. Alright, yeah, good.
Am I gonna get hit by a car?
Yeah.
Yeah! 3 steps in. Hi! I'm sorry. No, all good.
Strike 1, she lost.
That was the most embarrassing shit of my life.
I had to
seriously.
hide too. It was
That
really
lady
bad.
thought I was a lunatic. Look at how it's sitting on my head. It's your go, mate.
Shit. Ah, stop! What are you doing to me? Ew, I just felt something gross there. Oh shit. Oh god. I win. You lose, Georgia. I win. I'm so glad I can sue that dude.
He spotted me through the window of the car. Oh shit. Hi.
Yes.
Sorry. Hello, how are you going today?
What are you doing?
I did originally get us a new blindfold. Using toilet paper as our new blindfold.
It's not gonna work.
It is going to work. But yeah, it didn't actually go very well. It ripped along the way.
Yeah, because it was toilet paper and not actual material.
In place of our blindfold, we have some sunglasses.
I will promise to keep my eyes closed until...
If she opens her eyes, she's disqualified.
Sorry.
If she gets caught this time, it goes to sudden death. If she doesn't get caught, well, I lose, essentially.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
I freaking won.
Oh, Donnie
Georgia lost. I got away twice. She got caught twice. You know what that means? It means you're gonna do the ultimate dare.
No! 2 weeks in a bloody row.
You've got to go down to your local servo and you've got to sing to them. But you've got to walk in with water on your crutch.
No!
And you've got to sing about how you wet your pants.
No!
And you need to use the bathroom.
Oh!
Yep, ready?
This is bloody humiliating. Hello, sir. How are you going today? I was wondering if there was a chance that I could use your bathroom, as I've had a small accident here today. Do you have a toilet? Okay, thank you for your time. I will be leaving now. And have a very nice night. Goodbye. Goodbye. And goodbye. So,
That just happened. Well done, George, for actually doing it.
I tell you, Jenny, in the next video, you are going to cop it so hard.
I'm just too good, mate.
No.
I'm just too good.
No, I'm not in agreement with that at all. You're dead. So anyway, that's the end of the video, and remember to subscribe, remember to comment, remember to like, and all the boys that think Jenny's hot, remember to message her via Facebook inbox.
No. No, not gonna happen.
Do it.
Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching once again.
Bye.
Bye. Peace.